Title: The importance of using a welding helmet during welding activities. Welding product height head, brake light, and dome rose spark through a welding mark is essential for very welders.
This welding helmet protects the eyes and face from harmful radiation strike and hot metal with proper pastel. Well, that resistance in this side welder face and permanent eyes damage.
Welding help allow in first condition and what to think they working when possible.
Consolation, a welding helmet is vital in welding because it ensures both safety and productivity.
Let's go.